It's Thredup Thursday, and today we are going to be having some fun because today we're opening the Thredup Fun Box, and that is one of my favorite ones to open, if not probably my favorite one to open from Thredup. Not necessarily always the best items for resale, but always really interesting. So hopefully this is a good one. This is one of the most recent boxes that I've gotten from Thredup in one of their latest restocks. We'll look at the receipt and see when I ordered this one. Welcome, y'all. My name is Christina. I am a part-time reseller here on YouTube, also on The RealReal, Mercari, Poshmark, Depop, eBay, all of the places. So anyways, let's get into this fun box. Okay, this one is coming to us from Mechanicsburg. I'm going to show it to you. Literally, the receipt is sticking out of the side. My latest batches of boxes, you guys haven't had any stickers on them. So I'm like, what are you? This one's super light, so I assumed it was the fun box, and I did pull the receipt out and check to make sure. So we will get opening this. Before we do that, I just wanted to remind y'all to stay till the end of the video because we are doing the drawing today for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway, which is the Thredup DIY jewelry box, the 5-pound box, y'all, that I am giving away. So at the end of the video, I will do the drawing for that. And if you didn't check out my latest video on Tuesday, which was a Real Goodwill jewelry jar double feature, check that video out. I will make sure to link it above. These are by far the best that I've opened from my local Goodwill. I got this gorgeous necklace, which is marked AKR. It's got like a rooster on it. So, it's cool. And it's got all these different stones and kind of gemstones around the neck. I love it. I also got this amazing, native turquoise, like charm bracelet, you guys. It's going to be jingle jangling as I'm unboxing today, so make sure to enjoy. Okay, let's get into the fun box. Again, this one is from Mechanicsburg. It's super lightweight. And if you're not familiar with the fun boxes, I feel like lately I keep forgetting to tell you guys the information about the rescue boxes. I feel like I say it a lot, and so I don't think I've been mentioning it lately. So I'm going to try to make sure that I'm doing that. The fun boxes are full of miscellaneous items. You get a guaranteed 10 items, and it can be anything from socks to sleepwear to who knows what in these boxes. So 10 guaranteed miscellaneous items. They are $34 plus tax and then plus a $9.99 shipping. I ordered this one on August 20th. So super recent. Like I said, this is, I think, probably the most recent one that I've ordered. And so we will cut the tape and get into this one. And thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel and helping me hit that 2K mark. It was awesome. When I first started YouTube, I really just wanted to share my unboxings and talk about reselling, and had no idea that this was what was going to come. So I appreciate all the support. If you aren't subscribed and you do like reselling content and unboxings, which is my favorite, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications. Okay, we've got the box open. Here's a peek. Like I said, it's super lightweight. Maybe I'll even do like a first peek and pull the tissue off the top. Okay, ready? Hair pockets. Looks like we've got a hat right in the top, and then maybe some items inside the hat. You guys, the last hat that I got in one of these fun boxes was a really nice hat, and I have gotten some nice hats from Thredup. So fingers crossed, you guys. Okay, so here's the hat, but there's a few things on the inside, so let's pull these items out first. If you are new to my channel, I do sell from my videos. So if you see an item in this fun box that you want to purchase, just send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com, and I'm happy to sell to you directly. I do my invoicing through PayPal, and then I charge for items or packages under £1 $5. Now, I will be increasing my shipping come September, which is soon, because of the increase in postage to $6. And then if it's over a pound, depending on the weight, usually about $9. So that's how that works. Okay, so first item in a baggie, it looks like we've got a watch. I always love getting jewelry or accessories in here. Okay, so give you guys the first peek. It looks like we've got a little, like a world, like a little map. Okay, and then we've got like a croc embossed band. Let's see if we can get some information on here. It says stainless steel, made in China. And then there's a sticker with a battery X'd out. So I don't know. Is this unworn? Does it mean it doesn't come with a battery? I have no idea. That's what it looks like. Not sure if this is an actual leather strap. It's not marked. So, I'm just going to say that this is fashion since I see no like brand name on it. And if anyone is interested in the watch, which I don't know if it works. Okay, guys, we will just do that for $3. Okay. That's really cute though. And it's in good condition. All right. Next, we have a pair of toe socks. Oh, and they're called toe socks. Okay. Brand is toe socks. This says mini, and they're like in a black and gray pattern. And then you've got the little like spots for your toes. Let's see here. Thought maybe we would see if there was a price on the back. It says these are a sport, that they fit women, women's size 11 to 13, men's 10 to 12. It says it right there. Toe socks. And then on the back, there's like what it looks like. So I will look these up and I will have a price on the screen. Okay, that's fun. Oh my. Oh, guys, we have like some sexy lingerie. All right, this is branded. Look how cute that is with the little neon bow. That's sweet. Okay, so we have a black and white lace panty with a really cool neon green bow. And this is by Victoria's Secret. This is in a size small. It is new with tags. Someone did rip the price off, but those are cute. And the whole back is like a lace. Those are awesome. It looks like there's maybe a bra right under this. So I will put a price on the screen for these if anyone is interested in these. Okay. I was thinking maybe this would match, but I don't think so. Oh, we have a black lace bra. This is Adore Me. I get this brand, I get Victoria's Secret in these boxes a lot, and I also get Adore Me a lot in the boxes. The Adore Me lingerie is beautiful, you guys. And I believe that they make lingerie in all sizes. Okay, so like regular sizes and then like plus sizes as well. Okay, this is new with tags. This is a 34A. And you've got a black lace. And it's got a very light nude lining on the inside. And then you have these little like straps that go across the top. Really cute. So 34A, Adore Me. And if anyone's interested in this, let's do this one for $6. I've sold enough Adore Me. I think I can get the price on that. Okay. Oh, here's the price for the Victoria's Secret panties. It was in the bottom of the hat. So these were $22. I would say if I were listing them, I would probably list them about $12. So if you want to do the panties, we'll just do them for $6 as well. Okay. All right. You hear my jingle jangle? I love it. All right. So we've got a hat. This is a straw color. It's really interesting because this top part, there's a little fuzz on it. This top part is in like a lighter brown straw. And then you've got a darker brown straw with the brown stripe, like ribbon around the top. And look at this sweet bow on the back, you guys. That's so cute. Okay, let's see if we see any brands in here. It says this is 100% paper. right here. Looks like it's never been worn. I would say this is probably a new without tags. It does have the adjustable band on the inside, so you can adjust it to your head size, which is great when you're wearing like a sun hat or something because you don't want it to like blow off your head. So if anyone is interested in the sun hat, let's do this one for $6. That's really, really cute. Okay, let me give you guys a peek so you can see what we've got left. We've got some things just like floating around in here. Okay, I'm actually gonna pull out the tissue and the air pockets to make it a little bit easier. Okay, next up we have a pair of tights. These are Uniqlo, and I feel like I've had these before, maybe in a different size. These are in a small medium, and if anyone is interested in the tights, let's do these for $4. Uniqlo black tights. It says that for a small medium, it will fit hip size 35 to 41 with a height of 5'1" to 5'7". Yay. Fall is coming, you guys. I love wearing tights when it's cold outside because I love wearing like dresses and skirts and stuff. Okay, so next up, we've got a bracelet. Cute. Someone cut the price off. It says, love this life, faith. Always let your faith be bigger than your fears. Oh, I love that. Stainless steel bangle, silver plated charms. So it's like in the style of like an Alex and Ani, okay? And then it's got this really sweet charm that is like in a cream color enamel, and it says faith, and it's got a little heart on it. I love that. And then it's got the charm that says love this life. So I am not familiar with this, but I will just quickly look up the brand and then I will give a price on the screen for this. But I think that's awesome. I think that's really cool. Okay, next. I'm thinking that these two things go together. This was just floating around. And then the, oh no, maybe they don't. Because this, well, maybe they do. I'm confused. Hold on. Which is not unusual for me, just saying. Okay, so we do have a belt buckle. I'm assuming that these do go together. And look how cool this belt buckle is, you guys. And it does have some weight to it. Two really pretty flowers in the design. And then you have this yellow enamel in the center of each of them. I don't see any branding on the belt buckle itself on the back. Okay. Looks like it's in excellent condition. It goes with the belt, and the belt looks like it's almost got like a calf hair or something on it. It's in like a really dark brown and then gold tone. Now these do have some wear to them, or at least maybe it's intended to look that way. There was a brand on here or a sticker of some sort that looks like it's missing. So I'm not sure about this. And then someone had this marked for $84, you guys. Right here. So I will do a quick Google lens on the belt buckle and see what comes up. And then I'll also put measurements for this on the screen. You do have these little adjusters here. Let's see if I can figure this out. Maybe it goes like this. Maybe they don't go together. You guys, I don't know. I'm going to sell them separately because I don't think that they go together. You've got the flower belt buckle, so I'll have a price on the screen for that. And then you've got this really, really cool belt, which I'll have measurements for on the screen. Again, there is some wear to that gold tone hardware. I don't know that I'm going to be able to find the brand. It does feel like leather. It is leather. But I don't know the brand on this one. So I'll have a measurement and a price on the screen for this one. So that's cool. I have gotten some really good belts in here before, you guys. Okay, last item in the box. Like, how did that go so fast? Looks like maybe we've got like a little Vera Bradley pouch with some glasses in it. Okay, so let's take a look at this first. See if we can find some information in here. Okay, so it is marked with the Vera Bradley logo on the inside of the pouch, right there. So you have that interior marking. I am not really 100% sure. Is this for glasses? Is this like a lanyard case? Because you have a little attachment here. You can hook something onto this. So it's almost like you could attach a lanyard to this, or like a strap with a D-ring to put it in your bag if you need to like put your glasses in here. But you've got two pockets. There's one on this side and one on this side. Isn't that cool? I'll Google Lens this because maybe it'll come up and say, tell me like exactly what it is. So, but it looks like it is supposed to be for like maybe glasses, and you can attach it to something with this little ring. Yay. So I'll have a price on the screen for that. Then we have a pair of glasses. Okay, let's see. These are marked. I don't see any branding on these. There is a number stamped on the inside, but no branding. Check the outside. It's kind of weird because these are clear. Don't see anything. These do have some light scratching on them. They don't seem to be like blue light glasses. So I don't know. But these are like, they have a decent like weight to them. Like they're, they don't feel super like cheap, but I don't know. So I'm not sure. These don't have a brand on them. So if anyone's interested in these, $3. Okay, you guys, let's count our items and make sure we got everything. We got the glasses for 1. We got the Vera Bradley case for 2. This really awesome Faith bangle for 3. The belt for 4, because I think this might be separate. The buckle for 5. The tights for 6. The hat for 7. The Victoria's Secret panties for 8. The bra for 9. The toe socks for 10. And then we had the watch for 11. So maybe they were counting the buckle and the belt together. I'm not sure. So I will look that up and see if I can give you guys some more information about it. That is the one thing I have learned about these fun boxes after opening so many of them, is a lot of these items you have to look up. You might think it's nothing, and then you look them up and you're like, oh, holy smokes. Like it's like a really good item. And you learn about a lot of different brands this way, you guys. I've gotten designer bags in here. I got a pair of Chanel sunglasses one time, designer hat, designer sleepwear. So you never know what you're going to get. My favorite item, I think, is probably the pink Tiffany passport case that I got one time, which I kept. And that was like epic for me. So anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me. Make sure to stay tuned. I am going to cut to me drawing the giveaway winner. Good luck to all of you. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. And I will be back next week with more unboxings. Bye, y'all.